viewers. Driving through the winding roads, taking in the beautiful views of the tea plantation and rolling hills. Yes, it is Munnar, Kerala. Munnar is a hill station known for its tea plantation, scenic beauty and cold climate. If you search in Google things to do in Munnar, the first recommendation is visit Tea Museum. In this video, we are taking to Tea Museum. Do you know
What?
chai, that is tea, is India's national drink, and April 21st is celebrated as National Tea Day, and 21st May is celebrated as International Tea Day. Tata Tea Museum, Kannandevan Hills Plantation Museum. It is operated by the Tata Group, one of the India's largest tea producers. To visit the museum, one need to purchase an entry ticket. The museum is usually open from 10 am to 4 pm. The timings may vary or changes based on seasonal fluctuations. Upon entering the museum, we can see an exhibition and display which showcase the history and evolution of tea production in India. How tea powder is made. First, the fresh tea leaves are hand-picked or harvested from the plant. These fresh leaves are spread out to wilt to reduce moisture content. Then the wilted leaves are rolled and break down the cell walls and release the juices. In the next step, the rolled leaves are exposed to air to allow oxidation to occur. In this step, we get the characteristic flavor and aroma of tea. Then the oxidized leaves are dried to stop the oxidation process, and they are dried to remove any remaining moisture content. After complete drying, finally the dried leaves are ground into a fine powder using a grinder. Then the grinded powder known as tea powder is sorted according to quality, grade and type using filter. Here inside the museum, we can also find a shop where we can purchase tea powders, tea related products, etc. And museum also has a tea tasting room where visitors can sample different varieties of tea. Overall, visiting the tea museum is an engaging and informative experience and a must visit place for interested to know the tea making process and to know the history and culture of tea production in India, especially for tea lovers. Thank you for watching.